Here, you will learn the details of the 9 easy-to-use move to iOS alternatives. 1. Coolmuster Mobile Transfer. The best move to iOS alternative is Coolmuster Mobile Transfer. It facilitates the transfer of various file types between devices, regardless of their operating systems. No ads, no limits on the number of files, and no restrictions on file sizes. All files are rigorously protected, ensuring no quality loss occurs. 4 transfer modes: Android to iOS, Android to Android, iOS to iOS, and iOS to Android. Fully work with most phones, including iPhone 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, Samsung, Xiaomi, Honor, Motorola, Tecno, TCL, Oppo, Vivo, OnePlus, Google, Sony, and more. 2. Wondershare MobileTrans. Wondershare MobileTrans is another top-tier move to iOS alternative for transferring data between smartphones, supporting various platforms. Moreover, it supports backing up and restoring Android and iPhone devices, available for Windows or Mac users to download. 3. Aiseesoft FoneCopy. Aiseesoft FoneCopy is another move to iOS alternative. It is made for Android to iOS transfer and supports different types of files. Besides, the interface is much easier to understand than other similar data switch programs with sophisticated designs. 4. SHAREit. SHAREit is a free data transfer app developed by Lenovo, making it easier to share music, user apps, photos, videos, and other files from Android to iPhone wirelessly. It supports the direct download of videos and pictures to your device, and it is also a music player. 5. Xender. Xender works as an excellent alternative to move to iOS, but is better to use than move to iOS. You can transfer anything from Android to an iOS device with no cellular data consumption, no file compression during transfer, and no file size limit. No USB or cables are required. Completely wireless, and data can be exchanged with just a few clicks. Completely free of charge. 6. Feem. Feem is a straightforward file sharing app that works over Wi-Fi, making it ideal for move to iOS alternative between devices without an internet connection. The transmission speed is fast, and there is no limitation on file size. It is convenient and needs no data line. Tells is used to encrypt all local file transfers. 7. PhoneCopier. PhoneCopier, by MobileEdit, as its name shows, copies data from one device to another. Whether you want to upgrade your phone or change its manufacturer, it can meet your needs anytime, anywhere. The content that can be transmitted is determined by the brand and model of the phone. All content will be intelligently placed in the corresponding folders of the new phone for easy search and management. 8. SynciOS Data Transfer. Another widely accepted move to iOS alternative is SynciOS Data Transfer. Apart from device-to-device transfer, it also supports backing up iOS or Android data to the computer and restoring them to your iOS or Android later. Backup Android contacts, SMS, call logs, music, bookmarks, videos, photos, apps, and calendars to the computer. Selectively restore backup files from iTunes, iCloud, or your computer without resetting your device. Sync media files from the iTunes library to your phone. 9. Cloud Service. Although cloud storage, such as Dropbox, is not a standard data transmission application, it can also be used as an alternative to move to iOS when switching from Android to iOS devices. It allows data to be transferred between various platforms and devices, providing a more versatile option.